Hello and welcome to this video learning series of AutoCAD. Today we are going to talk about different kinds of circles that can be drawn in AutoCAD. So let's start. The different kinds of circles that can be drawn in AutoCAD are available in the Draw panel of Home tab. Here is the circle drop-down list, which gives various options to create different kinds of circles, like the center radius circle, the center diameter circle, 2-point circle, 3-point circle, tangent radius circle, and tangent circle. So we can draw these 6 types of circles using this circle drop-down. Now the first one is center radius. So I'll click on this option to invoke the circle tool. Now you can see the command line is asking for the center point of circle. So I'll click in the drawing area to specify the center point for the circle. You can see circle is attached to the cursor, and next thing the command line is asking is for the radius of the circle. I will specify the radius as 15 and press enter. Now you can see the circle is drawn on the screen and it has a radius value of 15 units. The second option in the drop down list is center diameter. So I'll click on the center diameter option. Now again the command line says specify center point. I'll specify the center point here. Now, instead of radius, the command line is asking for the diameter of the circle. So this time I will specify the diameter as 30. So type 30 and press enter. Again, a circle is drawn with the diameter 30. In this case, we specify the radius, and in this case, we specify the diameter. Now the third option in the list is 2-point circle. Suppose we have a line segment. I will create a line first. Now I want to create a circle whose diameter value is equal to the length of this segment. So in such cases, I can use the 2-point tool. So I'll choose the 2-point tool from the drop down. Now the command line is asking for the first endpoint of circle's diameter. So I'll choose this endpoint of the line segment as the first endpoint of the diameter of the circle. Again, the command line says specify second point of circle's diameter. So I'll click on this endpoint. In this way, a 2-point circle is created whose diameter is equal to the length of this line segment. Okay. Now, the fourth option here is 3-point circle. Let me create a triangular shape first using the line tool. So I'll invoke the line tool. I'll create a triangular shape. Now I will choose the 3-point tool from this drop down. As you can see in the command line, I'm being prompted to specify the first point on the circle. So this is the first point. Now we have to specify the second point. This is the second point, and this is the third point. In this way, we have created a 3-point circle that is passing through these 3 vertices of the triangle. Next option is tangent radius. Suppose I want to create a circle which is tangent to this line and this line. In that case, I'll choose the tangent radius option from this drop down. So as I choose this option, the command line says specify point on object for first tangent of circle. So this is my first line segment. I'll select it. Now specify point on object for second tangent of circle. I'll select this line segment. Now the command line says specify radius of circle, and there is some default value which AutoCAD has calculated. So press enter. Now you can see that circle drawn is tangent to this line as well as this line. If I extend this line further, it will be tangent to this circle. Now the next tool is tangent. Suppose this time I want the circle to be tangent to all the 3 sides of the triangle. So I'll choose the tangent tool from the circle drop down. Now specify first point on circle tangent to. So this is the side which I am going to select for the first point. Specify second point on circle tangent to. This is the point. And this is the third point. In this way, a circle is created which is tangent to all the 3 sides of this triangle. So this is all about the circle tools. I hope this video will help you in creating circles of all the types you need. Thank you for watching.